just maintain
Yes.
or to show that they belong to rich family.
Yes.
They are doing it fact.
We have to make relationship with same level classes.
Yes.
But rich people lifestyle is different.
Yes, right.
And
Exactly.
middle class family lifestyle is different. Even you
Different.
know mindset is different.
Don't stress beyond your limits.
Yeah.
In Urdu we say कि उतने पैर फैलाओ जितनी बड़ी चादर है.
Indeed. How can we judge that? You know how we should have the balance of classes of middle class, lower middle class, poor class, rich class, this and that.
If they have 4 daughters, they spend a lot of money in only one daughter.
Only one daughter.
You are living your life. Rich people are living your life.
Exactly.
Why do you want to become rich?
Yes.
Just to show off.
And sometimes they consider that we cannot be a rich person.
Yes.
But from my perspective, everybody can be a rich person on one day because
But here they are not doing anything, but they are mocking themselves.
Yes, right.
if the middle class truly values education, so why do many parents still hesitate to educate daughters equally?
Some middle class persons are not well educated.
You know, if middle class vanishes,
Yes.
who will support economy and who will support the social balance?
In Pakistan, I have seen many people, they don't have clear concept about middle class family.
If he has just a small family, one wife, not 2 or 3 wives,
Yes.
one kid,
One kid.
and he is earning 1 lakh rupees, then he should be counted in middle class.
Yes.
In Pakistan, I can see that they are doing the struggles to afford quality education, healthcare, and basic necessities.
That person is rich person, that person is middle class people, or that person is a poor person.
Yes.
Do we have any scale for that? How can we judge that person is middle class people? Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Khalid. Thanks ever so much to each and everyone that comes back and watch our videos to learn and grow with us. Well, you may have come to know that I love bringing new topics. So today we have come over here and we are recording this video to talk about very interesting topic, and that belongs to you, and that is the dark sides of middle class people.
Before I say something, I want to recite one ayat. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'een. My name is Nadeem Ahmad. I live in Gulshan Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Maria Khanam, and today I am here for the discussion, and the topic is the dark sides of middle class people.
Well, I would like to start by saying that middle class people, they are really tough people. They
Yes.
work a lot.
Right.
They struggle a lot.
Yes.
There are so many things. But on the other hand, there are some dark sides which we are going to discuss
Yes.
in this video. Okay.
Yes.
A lot of middle class people, they go for fake status. They follow rich people, they copy them, and they forget that just because of fulfilling these kind of requirement,
Yes. Right.
they are making a wrong face.
Yes.
They are making their wrong impression.
Yes.
Because they have to run their family, they have to run their kitchen, they have to do a lot of things. But when they spend a lot of money on expensive clothes,
Yes.
expensive things to just show that we are rich, here they are making a terrible mistake.
Yes.
Exactly. Because due to rising inflation, many middle class families in Pakistan, I can see that they are doing the struggles to afford quality education, healthcare, and basic necessities.
Yeah, indeed, they are. So, it's a really tough time, and this is tough situation in Pakistan that every single party is kind of confused.
Yes. Confused.
Exactly.
So, it's really difficult to run middle class family.
Yes. Right.
But I have a question, and that's really valid question here. That how can we consider that person should be counted in middle class family, or that family should be counted in middle class family? Because how much money should they be earning in 1 month so that we can consider that person is rich person, that person is middle class people, or that person is a poor person?
Yes.
Do we have any scale for that? How can we judge that person is middle class people?
If a person earning 1,50,000 rupees,
So he could be counted in
yes,
middle class.
yes.
Yeah, indeed, I agree with you that if someone is earning less than 1 lakh rupees, he should be counted in lower middle class family or poor family.
Yes.
Don't mind it, but this is the situation.
Yeah, situation
here, that the people who are earning less than 1 lakh rupees, they should be counted in lower middle class family. For example, in a big joint family, one person is breadwinner,
Yes.
and he is looking after different people, around 10 people.
Yes.
Then, if he is earning 1 lakh rupees, then he should not be counted, middle class person.
And
Because
yeah.
because you know why? Because if he has just a small family, one wife, not 2 or 3 wives,
Yes.
one kid,
One kid.
and he is earning 1 lakh rupees, then he should be counted in middle class.
Yes.
But the people who is earning 1 lakh rupees, but he is a breadwinner for 10 people,
10
then
people.
that family is
It is very
not middle
difficult.
class,
Yeah.
not a just middle class.
Yes.
You want to say
Exactly.
something?
Yeah, I want to say something and I want to include, because in Pakistan I have seen many people, they don't have clear concept about middle class family.
Yeah, indeed.
Many people, they don't know about middle class, like how can be considered that she or he is middle class.
Yes.
And I was also like that. I was also that type of person who didn't know about it, about middle class family.
The middle class in our country actively participate in charity and political awareness, trying to bring positive change.
Indeed. Well, I agree with you, because if middle class vanishes,
Yes.
who will support economy and who will support the social balance? Who will
Yes.
support that?
Yes.
Yes.
Middle class should not be vanished.
Yes.
All celebrities and successful person come from middle class,
Indeed.
like Sylvester Stallone, Amitabh, Shahid Afridi, Arshad Nadeem, etc.
Okay, so do you want to say that middle class people truly values education, right?
Yes.
So I want to ask something like, if the middle class truly values education, so why do many parents still hesitate to educate daughters equally?
Yeah, here the
Yes.
question is
Yes.
like,
Yeah.
why do many middle class people do not allow their daughters to get education?
Yes.
Or same education or higher education?
Yes.
This is really the question.
Yes. Some middle class persons are not well educated.
Okay.
They are, I think, in average education.
So they don't allow their daughters.
Yes, and they do
Okay.
not go allowed.
But now this trend is getting changed day by day. Many people are getting awareness that
Yeah,
now
it's not totally changed, but it is getting changed
Yeah.
day by day.
Yes,
And
right.
one more thing is that I would like to include over here, that we have misconception regarding like education, academic education, that successful people must have higher education. But
Yes.
sometimes so many successful people, they dropped out.
Yes.
Take example of Steve Jobs.
Yes,
Hmm.
right.
Take the example of Mark Zuckerberg.
Yes.
Take the example of Sandeep Maheshwari.
Yes, yes,
And there's so many, quite a big list it is.
yes,
They are not, they don't have, master's degree or something like that. But
Yes.
they are contributing their role in the world.
yes,
They
right.
are doing something for the betterment of so many people. So many people means so many people.
Yes, so many people.
Okay. But one more thing is that a lot of middle class family, they feel pressure
Yes,
to keep up with their social expectations. That
Yes.
they just hosting very lavish wedding ceremonies,
Yes.
or buying very expensive clothes to just maintain
Yes.
or to show
Yeah.
that they belong to rich family.
yes.
They
Yeah.
are doing it fat.
Ah,
They are
Exactly.
doing it fat. Well, here they are not doing anything, but they are mocking themselves.
yes, right.
And
Okay.
there's no doubt that they are hard worker, but they want to be stable. But how can they be stable if they do, like, if they follow trend
Yes,
and they follow rich people's, if they do extra expenses? So how can they be stable? How can they be stable? And how can be considered that middle class will be stable, or middle class are stable people?
This terrible mistake they make. They save a lot of money, but they spend on their daughter marriage ceremony, and they sometimes borrow
Yes.
from
Yes.
different people.
yes, right.
So this terrible mistake, pressure them, push them, or bash them into the very, very
Yes, right.
difficult time.
Yes.
So that is why now they have to return the money, or
Yes.
maybe they have saved a lot of money, but now they are spending on the medicine. Now they cannot go for any business.
Yes, right.
So this mistake, just to show the world that they are really a rich person, they are
Yes.
not from middle class.
Yes.
They
Exactly.
are doing it.
and sometimes they consider that we cannot be a rich person.
Yes.
But from my perspective, everybody can be a rich person on one day, because so the first thing is that I want to ask that how can they be considered stable when they are always worried about losing their financial position? I'm not saying that we should be a miser, but we should not be a miser, and we should not do extra expenses.
Yes.
Like a person says, and he is very famous, and I like his personality, Saad Hashmani. He says that reduce expenses and increase savings.
Yes.
Then we can be a rich person.
And one more thing, like why do they go for fake presentation,
Yes.
Yeah.
fake status?
Yes.
Like if you are rich, then why do you worry about anything?
Exactly.
If you are a middle class, if you belong to a middle class family, then why do you worry a lot? You are
Yes.
different from the others. You are unique,
Yes.
and even to each his own. You are living your life. Rich people are living your life.
Exactly.
Why do you want to become rich?
Yes.
Just to show off that if you are really rich, then you have a lot of money. So you don't have to show that you are rich.
Yes. Right.
But if you don't have a lot of money and you just want to show that you are rich,
Yes.
then here you are making terrible mistakes.
Yeah.
And from my perspective, it's not a good thing that we are showing something in front of people that we are something and we are rich.
Yes.
Because if we show something in front of people, so my question is that what we get.
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
And one more thing, like it's pretty psychological. Like rich people never want to show that they are middle class.
Yes.
They
Exactly.
show they are rich.
Yes.
Exactly.
By definition, by
Hmm.
their attitude, they are rich. But why do middle class people suffer a lot, put a lot of effort to show that they are rich?
Yes.
Why is that?
So many middle class families take so much loan from companies,
Yes.
leading financial stress.
Financially. Yeah, and because of this, it may be different, problems like
Yes,
maybe marriage or the daughter or someone else, and sometimes to keep the relation, they have to return their money on like someone because some different relatives they attended their marriage ceremony, they spent some decent amount on their daughter or
Yes.
son. Now they have to return because of keeping the relation going on. They
Yes.
have to do this.
And they do marriages with pomp and show, and it is very big mistake from middle class family. If they have 4 daughters, they spend a lot of money in only one daughter.
Only one daughter.
Wow,
Yeah, you are right.
And
Yes.
the rest of the daughters, they look the faces.
Yes, faces.
Exactly.
And now one more thing will be involved in that case. The thing is that now they have to do the same thing with the other daughters.
With other
Exactly.
They will have to borrow from
Yes, yes.
their different relatives or different people so that they can do the same.
Yes, right.
Because if they don't do same thing for the other daughters, then daughter will think about it.
Indeed, they will
Yes,
do that.
I want to say, don't stress beyond your limits.
Yeah.
In Urdu we say कि उतने पैर फैलाओ जितनी बड़ी चादर है.
Indeed. Now I would like to ask a beautiful question. Like when two families are going to decide, marriage.
Yes.
Daughter and son. Now, how can we judge that? How we should have the balance of classes of middle class, lower middle class, poor class, rich class, this and that. How can we decide that who or which category should we go to have a perfect match?
Yes.
From my perspective, we have to make relationship with same level classes.
Yes.
In this, sometimes we wish,
Yes.
we desire to make relation with rich people.
Yeah.
Yes.
But rich people lifestyle is different.
Yes. Right.
And
Exactly.
middle class family lifestyle is different. Even
Different.
mindset is different.
Yes.
Exactly.
Here we are making one terrible mistake. That is why there are so many problem after marriage.
Yes.
Okay?
And we have to face that problems.
And one more thing, like when you are getting married to someone, you should not just consider one person.
Yeah.
Your entire family is involved in one marriage.
One
Because
marriage.
it's not the marriage of one person.
Yes,
because
right.
this is going to be a relation.
Yes,
not
right.
a just marriage.
You have to face everything, and you have to face whole family.
Well, I have a very interesting question to you guys. Okay?
Yes.
For example, I am from middle class family.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to become a rich person.
Yes.
So, is it any anything wrong? Is it something like harmful?
No.
So, what should it be considered wrong?
No, you have a right, and you can become a rich person, as I said that we have to reduce expenses and increase savings. Then we can become a rich person.
One more thing, like so many people, they have misconception.
Yes.
They want to become rich, and it's not wrong. You know,
Yes.
if you want to become rich and you want to have luxurious life, it's
Yes.
okay. Good. There is no harm, and
Yes.
Islam does not stop you or forbids you. So you can become rich. Okay, but how I become rich? This is really the question.
Yes.
Like so many people, not so many,
Yes.
very large number of the people, they are putting a lot of effort to become rich, but they are unable to become rich.
Always you see a rich person give jobs to middle class persons.
Yeah.
On the other side, middle class person helps the poor. A total cycle.
Like, one more mistake, like if you want to become rich person,
Yeah.
but you are doing a job, so you may not become the rich, or you cannot become rich.
Yes.
Because there's the reason. You should go for the business.
Yes.
Exactly.
If you do the business, you can make a lot of money and you can become rich.
Yes,
but
right.
if you just rely upon a job, it's really difficult to become rich. You are making a terrible mistake. You are barking up the wrong tree.
Yes. My last line is I always say beauty is cheap, character is expensive, watch is cheap, and time is expensive.
Wow, great.
Yes.
Well, my last point is that middle class family status is very tough, but that tough status, this tough situation, this tough life
Yes.
make you tough, because that tough life makes your personality stronger, perfect. You become rational, you become pragmatic, you become practical.
Yes.
But on the other hand, the rich people, they are arrogant, somehow they are stubborn, they are involved in different activities as well. But middle class people, they are always down to earth, they help the poor, and they also be patient
Yes.
with the other, and they play a wonderful role in the society.
Yes.
In the end, I want to say that I'm not against of middle class families, but as I said, that middle class I have seen that middle class are hard workers rather than other people's, but they make some mistakes. Like they spend money on extra expenses. They don't do saving, and if they save money, but in the end, in the end they waste their money on trends and to follow a rich person.